So hello friends, today we'll talk about 5 common mistakes that a new traveler usually makes. This video is going to be a series, so as I keep on getting the new points, more videos will come up on this particular series. The main point of this series is that you should be aware about the common silly mistakes that usually a new traveler makes so that you don't commit such mistakes, which will definitely enhance your traveling experience. So let's begin. The first one is choosing long distance travels. So what I've usually observed is that whenever you get a chance to travel, people choose a really long distance from their hometowns, which is ruined by the fact that they don't have prior experience of such long distances. So this will lead to a lot of issues because when you are new to traveling, you are bound to make mistakes. You will forget a cable, forget your power bank, forget a wallet, miss a bus. So this sort of issues can be minimized if you increase your travel distance gradually. No one is telling you to go to Ladakh in one go. What I'm saying is, first you should at least have the proper plan of going to place that is about 30 to 50 kilometers away from your home. Stay there, have good fun, interact with the localites, make sure that you have a wholesome experience. So then you increase your distance gradually and so on. By doing so, you will have the experience of committing small mistakes and learning from it. As far as you don't make a mistake, you won't learn from it. As simple as that. So it's better if you choose a short distance first instead of going a long shot in first go. Secondly, choosing hostels instead of hotels. Okay, this is a really common mistake a lot of new travelers make. Hostels usually provide affordable accommodation and that is really known, but they don't provide any sort of security. So it's very easy to lose your wallet, travelogue, your book, your bag, anything. So I would definitely say that if you're actually planning to go to a certain place, you should prefer budget hotels instead of hostels. But if you have a huge group that you're traveling with, then hostels will also work. But if you're traveling solo or you're traveling with a small group of people with less or no experience, then I would definitely suggest you should go to a budget hotel instead of hostels. Third is overpacking. Okay, this is really common among the new travelers. What they do is, for a weekend trip, they will pack like 5 shirts, 3 jackets. Obviously, you are never going to use that in the trip at least. So it's better if you take just a pair of whatever you are wearing if you are going to a weekend trip. The number of days you stay there, that many amount of clothes should be there in the bag. So if you are going for just 2 days, there shouldn't be more than 3 clothes in your bag. By doing that, you will not only increase your packing efficiency, but it will also increase freedom with the bag that weighs less rather than the suitcase that you're planning to carry to that place. So definitely you should pack less luggage. Fourth point is paying first at hotels. So a lot of hotels insist you on paying first. Don't ever do that, because if you pay first, then you are kind of giving your authority of hospitality to them. They may or may not take good care of you, but if you don't pay it first, then definitely the hotels will have the pressure of taking good care of you since you haven't paid already. Now the fifth point is not being aware where to go and where to stay. I know a lot of people try to simply get out of their hometown and have zero plans about what places they're planning to see. It will lead to a lot of confusion. So if you want to prevent that, then have a rough idea of where you're going to stay and what you're going to see. So I hope that these 5 points would definitely be helpful for people who are new to traveling. So the 5 common mistakes that according to me what people make is that choose long distance. So definitely you should choose a short distance. Choose hostels instead of hotels. So just choose budget hotels instead. Overpacking. Increase your packing efficiency. Paying first at hotels. So you should stay there and then pay at the end. And not knowing where to stay and what to see. So you should have a rough idea of where you're going and what you all want to see. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you find this helpful, please share it among your friends and make sure everyone knows about it. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.